How to fix if you cannot connect to Play Store problem. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Click on Settings, then simply click on Search bar located at top right corner of your screen. Then simply search Apps. Then click on Apps and Notifications. After you have clicked on Apps and Notification, click on See All Apps. In here, simply search for Google Play Store. Simply click on Google Play Store and then click on Storage and Cache, which is the third option. Clear cache and clear storage. After you've done that, simply go back and then click on Google Play Services. Simply click on Storage and Cache again. Clear cache and clear storage. After that, simply restart your device and try opening Google Play Store again, and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix if you can't connect to Play Store. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comments below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.